welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out a special Diwali snack, Thattai. This is a traditional snack made especially during festive season. This recipe is a simple one, so you can all try this recipe for this Diwali. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Dry roast for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame until you get nice aroma. Now it's nicely roasted and it's golden brown in color, so remove and allow it to cool completely. Now to the same pan, add 1 cup of rice flour. Dry roast for 2 minutes in low flame. It's been 2 minutes now, so off the flame. Now to a seive, add the roasted rice flour. I have powdered the roasted urad dal, add that as well. Now sieve both the ingredients and add it to the mixing bowl. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, a tablespoon of chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of soaked chana dal. Soak it for 20 minutes before adding, and a bunch of chopped curry leaves. Then add 3 tablespoons of hot oil. Mix it well with a spoon, make sure it's well mixed. Now using your hands, pull out a portion and press it. It should hold together, only then your flour mixture is in perfect consistency. If not, add some more oil and try again. Now start adding water little at a time and mix it well until you get a chapathi batter consistency. Now keep ready a butter paper, pull out a small portion and make a ball out of it. Likewise, make another ball and keep it ready. Now close it with the other side of the butter paper and press it well with a flat plate or flat lid. Now open and check your thattais are nicely done. Don't make it too thick nor too thin, only then your thattais will turn out perfect. Now heat sufficient oil in an iron pot. Go with iron pot, only then your thattais will cook evenly. Now drop in 2 to 3 thattais at a time and cook for 3 minutes in medium flame. After 3 minutes, flip it to the other side and cook for another 2 minutes. Now our thattais are perfectly cooked and super crispy, so let's remove them. Give it a 5 minutes rest time and then you can enjoy it right away with a hot cup of tea. Heat a pan. Into this add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 dried red chillies, a teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 green chilli slit and few curry leaves. Give all the ingredients a quick mix for a few seconds. Then to this add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute until the onions are translucent. Then goes in 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute for a few seconds. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then to this add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well until it comes to a boil. Cook for 2 minutes in medium flame until the masala dries up a little. Now our masala is ready, so go ahead and add 6 slices of bread cut into small pieces. Mix it well and make sure the masala is well spread in the bread pieces. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now our delicious bread upma is ready. Sprinkle some seive on top and serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick breakfast recipe. So do try this bread upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.